So the Epstein files have been released. Well, sort of. This is the example of what the files look like. It's unreal seeing this happening. But obviously, that didn't stop the internet from doing what it does the best: finding solutions. This video is a quick tutorial on how to unredact the Epstein files easily. First, if you don't know how to find the official release, it's at the website justice.gov/Epstein. Link will be in the description. You will see all the links in here. The second button will lead you to the disclosures. All the content is neatly organized. You can download everything at once using the zip file links, or view them online using these links. But the DOJ can modify or remove them anytime, and they are actively doing it. So I strongly recommend downloading everything and keeping an offline copy. But it's apparently thousands of files. So if you want to search through them easily, you can go back to the main link and use the search feature. It will show all the files containing the keywords you search for. It will help you filter out stuff you're not interested in. You can use third-party websites like these as well, which take time to update new data but will make it easier to analyze. Now for the main topic: how can we remove redactions from the files? Officially, the redactions were supposed to be there to protect sensitive information, images, and details about victims. But they used that excuse to redact everything. I mean, literally everything. Sometimes even random stuff. Though luckily, we are able to unredact a lot of this stuff. Mostly those that don't reveal victim details. For that, you just need to open the PDF files. Adobe Acrobat has options to directly remove it, but we'll go the fast and easy way, which is to copy the redacted text and paste it into Microsoft Word or Notepad. Yup, I am not trolling, this is actually working.
Try it? We're gonna try it right now. Open in Adobe. All right, now we're gonna copy this, we're gonna save it. And this is from the government website right here, justice.gov. One of the moment of truth.
Yup, it's that simple. It won't work on images, but most of the documents with text content are easily extractable like this. You should have it all downloaded offline before the government fixes it. Unbelievable how they even let this happen in the first place. Anyways, that's it for this video. I will be posting if anything interesting comes out. See you soon.